This ointment is used to treat diaper rash with a yeast infection in children. It should be used along with proper cleaning of the diaper area and frequent diaper changes. The active ingredient, miconazole, is an antifungal that works by preventing the growth of fungus. Zinc oxide and petrolatum work by forming a barrier on the skin to protect it from moisture and irritation. It's important not to use this product long-term or to prevent diaper rash, as unnecessary use or misuse can decrease its effectiveness. Remember to only use Vusion Ointment on the skin. Before and after applying the ointment, make sure to wash your hands. Clean the diaper area gently with warm water and then pat dry. Apply a thin layer of the medication to the affected area during each diaper change, as directed by your doctor. Do not rub the medication into the skin. Avoid getting the medication in the eyes, nose, mouth, or inside the vagina. If this happens, flush with plenty of water. Use this medication regularly and continue using it for the full length of treatment, even if symptoms disappear. Stopping the medication too early may cause the infection to return. Do not use this product for longer than prescribed. If your child's condition lasts after 7 days of treatment or gets worse, make sure to tell the doctor. It's important to remember that your child's doctor has prescribed Vusion Ointment because they believe the benefits outweigh the potential risks. While many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects, it's important to let your doctor know right away if you notice increased irritation at the application site. Although rare, a serious allergic reaction to this drug is possible. Seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling, especially of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, be sure to reach out to your doctor or pharmacist. If you're in the US, you can report any side effects to the FDA. In Canada, you can report them to Health Canada. Before using Vusion Ointment, make sure to inform the doctor or pharmacist if your child is allergic to miconazole, zinc oxide, or petrolatum, or to other azole antifungals. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions, so it's important to talk to your pharmacist for more details. Also, make sure to discuss your child's medical history with the doctor or pharmacist before using this medication. If your child is pregnant, this medication should only be used when clearly needed, and pregnant women should use caution when applying it. It's important to discuss the risks and benefits with the doctor. For breastfeeding women, it is unknown if this drug passes into breast milk, so it's essential to consult the doctor before using this medication on your child. When using Vusion Ointment, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how the medication works or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products your child uses, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial to always seek your doctor's approval before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If this medication is swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. It's important not to share Vusion Ointment with others. This medication should only be used for your baby's current condition, and shouldn't be used for another condition unless the doctor says it's okay. It's also important to note that this ointment is not a substitute for frequent diaper changes. To help heal diaper rash and prevent future rashes, make sure to check your baby's diaper often and change it whenever it appears wet or dirty. If you forget to use it, just use it as soon as you remember. But if it's almost time for the next diaper change, then just skip the missed dose. Don't use 2 doses at the same time. Just use your next dose at the regular time. Keep Vusion Ointment at room temperature. Make sure to store all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush this medication down the toilet or pour it down the drain unless instructed to do so. When Vusion Ointment is expired or no longer needed, be sure to dispose of it properly. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.